Hey y'all, Matt Allen, back in sunny South Georgia. Well, a little bit cloudy, a little bit of wind, so it's not super hot today, thank goodness. So I hadn't put any videos up in quite a while on my YouTube site. I'm trying to change that, especially when hunting season comes up. What I have been doing lately, and I didn't video them, was taking pictures of me doing bushcraft cooking. Basically what I'm trying to do is set up for Sapelo Island. I'll be hunting there a good bit this year again, so hopefully more than last year. What I'm trying to do is set my backpack up with minimalistic cooking, whether it be the gear that I'm using, which my gear is a bush pot from Self-Reliance Outfitter, David Canterbury. If you ever want to see some really good bushcraft stuff, David Canterbury has an awesome site on YouTube. So anyway, I'm gonna start trying to put some more of these videos up. Right now I have a little setup cooking. Of course it's ramen, but I'm cooking some of the better ramen on the campfire right now. Being that it's lightweight, I should be able to take more of it on the Sapelo. I've done biscuits in my bush pot. I've done scrambled, like this morning, a biscuit, scrambled eggs, and grits. Everything was done on the campfire. Everything was processed. I get processed out here, or set up for cooking out here. And this is of course it's my front yard. However, I mean, still it's pretty fun. All right, so let me get this thing turned around so you can see what I'm talking about here. So right here is my afternoon meal, a little setup. Get it a little closer. I've actually been able to nurse this fire for right at 30 something hours. So there we go. This is a bush pot that I actually got off of the Dave Canterbury site, which I told you about, Self-Reliance Outfitter. These things are awesome. I mean, you can cook all kind of stuff. I actually put a cedar plank that you would use. I got it from Lowe's. You use it for grilling. I put it in the bush pot, had my biscuit dough on that, on the cedar plank, the top on the bush pot, turned it on its side, and it's like a oven. All right, well, I'm gonna do more of this while I wait to get the while I wait for hunting season. I'll probably send a bunch more of these out, just different meals I can cook up with this and my old Army cook set. All right, you guys have a good one. Peace.